Hello and welcome back. My name is Andrei.
And I'm Dominika.
And we're back again with another reaction to
Velvet Revolver. Fall to pieces.
Alright.
Alright.
Did this say something to you?
The only thing I know about Velvet Revolver that well, before we start, Tony. Hey Tony. This is on our channel thanks to you. This is another of your requests. We really appreciate.
Thank you.
And in your message you said that you believe we recognize one of the guitarists. I know that one of the guitarists is Slash from Guns N' Roses. I don't know Velvet Revolver's music, but I know that Slash was in that band. So that's how I know.
Alright. I ask you if it say something to you because the name of the band and the name of the song
That's all I
say
know.
Nothing to me.
I know that
to be
Slash
honest.
was in that band. But Tony, again, thank you so much. Oh, I'm very curious to check them out because I never sort of did. Should have maybe.
Alright.
We'll find out after that song, right? If we should or not.
Ready?
Yes. All two pieces. There he is.
It's been a long year since you've been gone. I've been alone here, we've grown old. Fall to pieces, I'm falling. Fell to pieces, and I'm still falling.
Yeah, I
Okay.
did see you want to stop it or
Yeah,
something.
because all right, I did say about the Slash, but maybe that's the question for Tony or the other people who knows. Is it the bass player Duff McKagan there from Guns N' Roses and also Matt Sorum from Guns N' Roses on the drums? Thank you. I believe they are.
Do you want me to answer?
No, please.
My answer is I don't know.
So does that mean that they created that band after Guns N' Roses? I feel very stupid. I recognize them, all three of them. I believe I recognize all three of them.
Alright.
That's all. I was very anxious to say that.
Do you know the song?
Absolutely not.
No, me neither.
I know absolutely nothing about Velvet Revolver. I knew of Slash, but I didn't know about the others. And then the music is completely new for me. Although it's good when guitar starts, you feel very familiar sound. I think Slash got his signature sound when he plays the guitar. It's really hard not to recognize it. And I quite like it because I've got very a big sentiment in my heart to their music back in the day. So yeah, I do enjoy it.
Cool.
Okay, that's what I wanted to
Let's
say.
go. I want to hear some more.
Yeah.
I keep a journal of memories. I'm feeling lonely, I can't breathe. Fall to pieces, I'm falling. Fell to pieces, and I'm still falling. Every time I
Wow, video a little bit disturbing, isn't it?
Yeah, I was
think it's-
following the video story and with the lyrics.
I think
And-
it's definitely connected.
And it's such a story you hear it so many times.
That's true. That's
mean-
the dark side of being in the
Famous.
industry.
In
yeah,
industry,
yeah,
yeah.
going a little bit too far. You don't know when to stop, and I think a lot of
You know the idea.
a lot of rockers
Sorry.
rockers probably are lucky to be alive,
Mm-hmm.
and then a lot of them we
Not
lost
only
sadly.
rockers, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
yeah.
But it feels like at some point it was more associated with
Mm-hmm.
this kind of music, wasn't sex, drugs, and rock and roll.
True.
So and now it's everywhere and everybody. But I feel it was back in the day. It was a little bit. I'm not saying it didn't
Mm-hmm,
happen anywhere else, but it was associated a little bit more with the rock.
I don't know. The it's feel like sometimes it's not enough. You want more and more when then you can take. I don't know. I'm saying you looks like you have everything. You know, you have a
Yeah.
good career. You do what you like. Probably you make money. But why you have to go in such a, you know what I'm saying? And
To
peop-
alter
Yeah,
reality,
you
isn't
know.
it? It's
Why
like-
is it's just
Yeah.
you're not happy? It's not enough. Why are you looking for things that I don't know? It's not gonna make you happy just for a moment, I guess. But yeah, it's sad because so many times the story keep going
you
in a
know,
circle.
any loss of life, it's really, really, unnecessary, especially this way. It's
true.
very, very sad and very disturbing. And answering your question or not answering your question, I guess, you and me, unfamous people who never done drugs and never had this kind of lifestyle and never had money actually to have this kind of lifestyle. I
Do you
don't
think
think
is
we're
that
gonna-
the problem? You having money?
I don't know if that's the problem because you have so many people who has money and they don't fall that path.
True.
Yeah, you know,
I think it's
you
the
also know a
lifestyle
lot
you
of.
live.
That's what I
probably.
want to say. You have a lot of people who don't have money and they're in the bottom, and then sadly end their life somewhere in a
True.
toilet at the train station, for example. So unfortunately, I don't know if there is a written rule, but like I said, because of both of us, we never sort of like
Yeah,
even
that's
had
why-
a taste of this kind of. It can be you fall into the habit because of the situation you are or environment you are in. So whenever you're leading this kind of when it's constant part of your life,
An
it's just
addiction is
24/7.
probably,
Yeah, the drugs being served to you, the alcohol and all of that, and you feel a little bit
But it's
reckless.
sad in a way. So
Yeah,
sad.
it is. But you start as a good fun. You start as oh yeah, we're gonna have fun. Now that's my time. I'm in my prime. I can go a bit wild. I've got money to to enjoy life a little bit. And then unfortunately it only takes a second and you miss the line and that's it. You're on the other side, the bit darker side.
Yeah, that's true. Wow.
But yeah, we know experts actually. You can only say whatever
Yeah, 'cause
observation.
it's not even observation. It's for more like I don't get it. I don't understand what really
Yeah.
push you to. When I feel your life looks perfect, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the picture I see. I mean, I'm talking about in general people who, and you look have everything you want it, and you do something. I would call it even silly, stupid, or yeah. But yeah, I
But
guess.
I think it's because we don't understand.
Yeah, we don't understand. Yeah.
I think it's a little bit deeper because, like I said, it's so many.
Mm-hmm.
I think it lays with the person, isn't it? With their personality and whatever is happening in their head.
True.
So,
Well-
overall, going back to the song, oh my god, we always find something to
I know.
blah blah about.
blah.
Going back to the song, "Fall to Pieces," yeah, it's exactly what it is, isn't it? And most probably it looks like that's gonna be his wake up call. And it's really good to have actually good people around you, people who's not going to drop you just because and they're just going to fight for you when you cannot do it yourself. So that's pretty cool. All right. Well,
All right.
I went a little bit too deep, or maybe I didn't. I don't know. Did we?
I don't know. We just like to
Yeah,
talk, I
we
guess.
do.
Every time I'm falling down, all alone I fall to pieces. Every time I'm falling down, all alone I fall to
Right. I did like it. I do like the song, and I like the video too. It feels so classic in a way,
Yeah.
and it's so real in a way, and it's
Right?
yeah.
I think it was like a good piece of rock music, I would
Mhm.
say, right? With some, you can see the musicians were, very. I'm gonna go into technical. I don't like it, but you can see, that they definitely know what they're doing. Yeah, I wanted
Technical?
to.
Are you
Yeah, they've
expert
got a
now?
technique. Yeah, exactly. Absolutely. Let me give you my expertise on the topic.
All right. Blah blah.
Blah blah. Most probably it's gonna be blah blah. But anyway, definitely it felt like a solid piece of music, and I'm with you on that boat. I did enjoy it
That's true,
very
yes.
much, and the video as well, and the lyrics as well. So yeah,
Really
cool.
nice.
That
yeah.
was pretty cool.
All right. Hope you enjoy our reaction, and see you again next time. Have a lovely day and all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye for now.